OCD, one of the top 10 disabling disorders by WHO and often goes undetected for years. Obsessive compulsive disorder is a long-lasting disorder in which a person experiences uncontrollable and repeated thoughts, that's obsession, and engages in repetitive behaviors, that is compulsion. OCD have time-consuming symptoms that can cause significant distress and interfere with your day-to-day activities. But remember, not all repeated thoughts are obsessions and not all habits or rituals are compulsions. Generally, a person with OCD spends more than 1 hour a day with their obsessions and compulsions. They can't control their obsessions and compulsions even though they know they are excessive, and they don't get any pleasure from their compulsions, rather a temporary relief from their anxiety. With proper psychiatric treatment, people with OCD can manage their symptoms and improve their overall quality of life.